Hey guys, it's Frank from Cruising with Wheels. Welcome aboard the beautiful NCL Bliss. Hey guys, I'm in my cabin. We were up at 4:30 this morning. It's day 4 of our Alaskan cruise aboard the NCL Bliss. We're in Juneau, Alaska. And guess what we're doing today? We're doing the whale watch and wildlife quest. Kevin is so excited. I can't wait to get on the boat either. I want to see some whales. But we got to get going. But later on, because we're only here in Juneau, 7 a.m. to 1 p.m., there's some excitement going to be going on this afternoon where we'll be cruising through a beautiful area of Alaska. And we'll let you know what that is later on.
Earlier, I called up the tour. Check your yellow tickets. It just says 2112. Dog sledding and glacier adventure by helicopter. That should have a meeting time of 6:50. Please, if you are in this tour, please raise your hands for me.
Juneau, guys, Juneau capital is VIP line to the left. Express line to the left. There's one more line to the left. That's the capital. Juneau, guys.
Right, guys, some key cards in hand.
Juneau, it's the capital. Juneau. Have your key cards in hand. There's another gangway to your left. To your left. VIP line to the left. To the left. No line that side. Hello and welcome to Juneau.
Hey guys, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels. Today we're in Juneau, Alaska. We got up, like Frank said, at 4:30 in the morning to be ready for our whale watch excursion, which we're rolling to right now. We've got the beautiful NCL Bliss on my right, the Golden Princess behind me, and this beautiful landscape. This is what Alaska is all about. I didn't let go, and I didn't. Okay, So on Norwegian Cruise Lines, once you've exited the ship, you will look for your tour. You're going to walk down the gangway and you're going to look for signs just like this. And this beautiful lady, what's your name?
Izzy.
Izzy will direct you to where you have to go. We got to go now for our excursion.
Notice that until I got closer.
Hold on, like.
Go ahead. Oh no, I see it.
You're not at my best. I think I would want
So we're at the bus area, and I think we'll try to get on that 9 a.m. Bus to the whale watch. But you know, when Kevin was filming me on the last clip we did in front of the restrooms, he realized that the battery to the video cam only had like 17 minutes left on it. Like, oh my God, we're gonna have no battery or footage for the whale watch. So he had to go running back to the ship like a maniac, and thank God he ran into the cruise director, who wanted to know why we weren't on the whale watch. And he's like, well, we couldn't get on, but I need to get back on the ship because I need my batteries. So he took Kevin through the crew passage and got him on real quick. He ran up to the room, got the extra battery, and came running back. So we're kind of sitting here, and it's 8:15, and again, it's a 9 a.m. So another 45 minutes of waiting. So, but we're only here till 1 p.m. and then this boat books out of Juneau. So there you have it.
Hey guys, I am standing in Juneau, Alaska today, and we are about, I would say, 300 to 450 feet away from the NCL Bliss. And I was just commenting to Frank while we're waiting here that I was, going through comments and YouTube stuff. You see, I was on YouTube just now, and I realized that I am still in airplane mode and I'm attached to the NCL Bliss's internet. So I just wanted to tell everybody that's sailing on the NCL Bliss, the internet is awesome. It's probably the best internet experience we've had, minus the little mix-up early on because we didn't get it and we were supposed to. But once we got it, it is phenomenal. Just wanted to tell ya.
To remember